Unlocking mindset shifts without willpower. Easy techniques for practitioners unleashing the power of reframing 600 words. The human brain is wired to perceive situations based on mental frames, which shape our beliefs and actions. To unlock mindset shifts without relying on willpower, practitioners can harness the power of reframing. Reframing involves changing one's perspective by viewing a situation from a different angle. This technique has been used effectively in various fields, including psychology, education, and business. Kurzweil, 2017. For instance, consider a student who consistently struggles with test anxiety. Instead of focusing on the anxiety itself, a practitioner can help the student reframe their approach by emphasizing the importance of preparation and learning rather than solely the fear of failure. Yap Brown, 2009. The benefits of mindful breathing. 750 words. Mindful breathing is another powerful tool for mindset shifts. By focusing on breath, cultivate self-awareness and reduce stress levels, which in turn facilitates a more open and receptive mind. Cresswell Lindsay, 2012. In a study conducted by Cresswell and Lindsay 2012, participants who practiced mindful breathing showed increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, a brain region associated with self-regulation and decision-making. This enhanced cognitive control allows individuals to more easily adopt new perspectives and let go of limiting beliefs. Practitioners can guide clients or students through simple mindful breathing exercises, such as focusing on the rise and fall of the abdomen for 5 minutes each day. Kabat-Zinn, 2013. By incorporating this practice into daily routines, experience the benefits of mindful breathing and unlock their potential for mindset shifts. The role of gratitude in transformation. 750 words. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that has been shown to enhance well-being and promote positive thinking. Emmons McCullough, 2003. Practitioners can encourage clients or students to practice gratitude by asking them to reflect on 3 things they are grateful for each day. In a study by Emmons and McCullough 2003, participants who practiced gratitude exhibited increased happiness scores, as well as stronger relationships and improved health compared to those who did not practice gratitude. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude, shift their mindset towards a more positive outlook. Leveraging the power of visualization. 650 words. Visualization is a technique that involves creating mental images of desired outcomes. This practice has been used by athletes, performers, and business leaders to enhance performance and achieve success. Maxwell, 2013. Practitioners can guide clients or students in visualizing their goals by having them close their eyes and imagine themselves achieving those objectives. By repeatedly visualizing success, build confidence, overcome self-doubt, and create a powerful mindset that propels them towards their aspirations. Maxwell, 2013. Incorporating these techniques into daily practice can help practitioners unlock mindset shifts without relying on willpower. By reframing situations, practicing mindful breathing, cultivating gratitude, and visualizing success, transform their lives and achieve their goals. References: Cresswell, J. Lindsay, K. 2012. Mindfulness-based interventions for stress reduction in adults, a systematic review of meta-analyses. Clinical Psychology Review, 326, 759768. Emmons, R. A. McCullough, M. E. 2003.